YouTube. I'm here in front of the 69 Ford Thunderbird. As you can see, everything's out. The whole drivetrain, radiator, transmission, the engine block. So now we're ready to get in here and straighten up this engine bay, clean it up. So when the engine drops back in here, it'll look a little better. Hopefully a lot better. Hey, what's that? DIY? Do it yourself. So here I go. Getting the engine bay all cleaned out so I can start prepping it so it look pretty when she get her heart back in her. It's work. Hey, somebody gotta do it. Might as well be me. Just a little something. All right, there it is right there. I started cleaning it down already. So I'll just hose it off, take it to the power wash, and then he can take it from there. But right now, this is a lot better even than before when I first started. It was so caked on here, almost like a half an inch of just grit and grime. But you gotta think, car's 50 years old, 1969, this is 2020, and this transmission probably never even been taken off the car. So the guy's gonna rebuild it and replace what needs to be fixed. And we'll be back in the ballpark. I could be able to drive this thing to Texas, Arizona, and back home to Jersey. That's the plan anyway. I just brought it back after I cleaned it all up, and I'm handing it over to Mr. Strickland for him to do the repairs on it. So I have to ask Mr. Strickland if he don't mind me videoing. But I'm out here with my wife, as you can see. This is it. I'm getting ready to hand it on to him. He said I did a pretty good job of cleaning it. I know I was sweating. All right. Well, this is just a little bit of footage. Dropping it off here. Supposed to be a good man, an OG. You don't work on nothing but old transmissions. He said I'll be ready to travel to Texas, Arizona, and back in the OC6. That's what I'm talking about. Brand new 1969. 69? Yes, sir. It never been changed, you think, Mr. Street? No? Wear and tear like us, huh? I know. I can't jump as high as I used to, run as fast as I used to.
All this stuff is all new rubbers in it.
Mm-hmm.
There's your servo seals.
Okay.
There's a pretty broken spring, but that's it.
That's okay. I believe you. I know your background. Your reputation far precedes you. Alrighty. Got it out. It's all painted up, cleaned up. Putting the catalytic converter back in. So what, I got a new servo? New seals. What about the valley? What they call the valley? Yeah. Uh-huh. Well, that's part one of it. Now I gotta get the engine redone, and I have my total root transmission. Think I'll be able to travel to Texas in it, sir?
Yes.
Okay. You heard it from the man, Mr. Strickland himself. Say something, sir, if you please.
Give me a call if I can help you.
Yeah, if you got a transmission,
Bad times.
this is the man to come see. You right over here in where we at, EHT Township, off of
Zion
Road in New Jersey. This is the man right there. You want a good job for a fair price? Mr. Strickland's the man to see. YouTube. Now back at you, 69 Ford TBIRD. Here we got the C6 transmission out of the Thunderbird. It's already completely rebuilt, ready to go. The God said himself out of his own mouth, it could take us to Texas, Arizona, and back, or anywhere else we want to go. So we get ready to spray paint it now with this ceramic paint. What's the name of it? Put it up there right there. With this right here. Got this ceramic in it to help keeps it cool.